day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Ayan po, may tama na mo.
Fuck me,
Chicks na lahat.
so foggy, but I've never seen.
Oh, ano?
I really think
Oh, ano?
and honestly, one day,
Oh, bahala kayo
I'm
dyan.
worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try it anyway. And everything
Video na yan.
be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I go
Waiting area na kuya. Ang flight ay 11:23. So, mahaba-haba pang intayan. 2 oras pa, 9, 10, 11.
Yung jacket ko, di ba?
Ayun ang kasabay ko pabalik.
Nabol ng plancha. Hi, Nay! Basta.
Yan.
Uy, nabol ng plancha.
Joy, if you're not busy, call mommy, okay? Love you.
yeah, that's all great.
But Joy, busy ka na naman, ha? Hindi ka natawag kay mommy. Or you should call daddy, okay? Love you. Call na, call na. I'm waiting before I go inside the plane. Sa waiting area na net, upuan, no? Antay kami ito hanggang alas 11:30. Boarding. Yan. Ito yung kasabay ko. Bidang-bida lagi ito. Lahat na lang. Ito yung kasabay ko. Kasama ko sa trabaho. Sabay yung balik namin. Nauna lang ako nagbakasyon sa kanya. Thank you sa choknat. Waiting na lang din. Mga 11:23. Yung ano, pipila pa kaming lahat. Dami namin, oh. Dami. Pipila pa kaming lahat. Boarding. Bachoy, mommy is waiting. Mommy is waiting. Where are you? Answer my call, please. If I go inside the plane, I cannot call you later. Call mommy, please. Ay, baka Angie. Pero kung sakto 11 sa dami ng tao ito, tapos ang flight ay ano, 11:23. Hindi to kakayanin ng 30 minutes lang.
10:30 siguro.
Oh. Marin sa loob. Ayan. Paalis pa lang. 48. After how many hours? Sa loob na lang. Aeroplano. Tagal ng Jonalyn. lang daddy, oh, sa ano pa lang, baggage claim pa lang kami. So dahil tinamad maglakad, sasakay dyan. Duty na ako, nakalagay. Daming tao. Nasa train pa lang. Baggage baggage counter na. Buti pala may ikama, may e-gate na rin sila dito, ang galing. May e-gate na. Malapit na. Malapit na. Nakita ko na yung pink eh.
Kasi gawa nung nauna ka na, ay huli ka nga
Oo. Nakita ko na yung pink. May pink na tali. Tapos yung isa, gray na duct tape. Kulay black. Diba? Ayun na siya, yung pink o nandun sa dulo. Pangalawa sa huli. So, alin dito yung ano, isa kong pang luggage. Nakita ko na yung pink eh. Yung black ang wala pa. Okay. Andyan na yung bag ko. Tingnan mo yung bag ko, big, girly yan. Ayun no, may pink na tali, big oh. Purple. Ayan na siya, lapit na. My house, ala. Oh, look, what happened. So, I didn't have rest since I arrived. Look what happened. You know where I rest? In the neighbor. What happened? This is my welcome back.